This completely free AI just replaced my $4,000 a month video editor. Watch this.
Head on over to CapCut and click on AI Video Maker. And then over here, click on Instant AI Video. And over here, type in any script that you want to see a video made of. And choose the aspect ratio, whether phone or computer. And then pick a style and hit create. Like if I wanted to trade this from craft to trade or something, I could do that right here. Here's where you make any changes that you want to make before exporting.
This AI writing assistant helps you craft everything from blog posts to video scripts in seconds.
And that's it. So when you're done, you just go up here and click on export and choose a file name. And that's it.
That's how I save 31 hours a week. Link in bio for the exact tool, plus my free cheat sheet with 6 more AIs that replace 5K, 10K employees.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.